Do your eyes feel tired or heavy after a lot of screen time? Do you see lines on your forehead when you frown? What are we doing today? We are focusing on your eyes and forehead to make them feel fresh, relaxed, and smooth. See, our eye and forehead muscles also need exercise. Yes, they do. And if we don't move them, they get weak, tight, and tired. That's where, puffiness, wrinkles, and eye strain, all these things start to show up. Face yoga can help to fix this, and that too naturally. It brings more blood to the area, relaxes your skin, and makes your face look brighter and shinier. Research also shows that regular movement of micro muscles in the face is essential not just for beauty, but also for overall wellness too. Why do we want to spend thousands on Botox and chemical filled serum when daily face yoga can give us all these results naturally and lasting too? And all these safely, gently, for free. See, this program is made by our expert teachers with over 40 years of yoga experience. You will start to see results in just 2 weeks of regular practice. In today's 15-minute session, what are we doing? We are going to start with light tapping, a little bit of oil and breathing to relax the mind and muscles, eye and forehead exercises to lift and refresh, and finally, a massage which is a mixture of aromatherapy, sound therapy, and acupressure points. So let's begin. What are we waiting for? And stay till the end to join our free live face yoga classes every day made just for you. So now we apply a toner just for closing the pores. Like they are already closed, but still. But make sure that whatever toner you apply, it has to be chemical free. We don't want to be adding any chemicals when we are massaging into the skin, when we are doing face yoga. It has to be completely chemical free. Very nice. So now on this a little wet and a little damp skin, we apply little bit of face oil. So I'm applying kumkumadi oil. Again, you have to make sure, the aroma you like. Aroma is pure and completely chemical free. We don't want to be adding chemicals in the process. Little bit of oil and just like 20-second massage we'll do. We'll do the proper massage in the end of the module, but this is just a 20-second just to moisturize the skin. So this is like the pre-face workout nutrition, and post-workout nutrition you will get at the end of the face yoga module. All right. Okay. Okay, let's start with tapping. We are going to cover the foreheads, the jawline, and the cheek area, and we are going to do very light taps throughout the face. So let's start with the forehead first. Now using the ring finger, we do under eye taps. Now on the cheeks, you could increase the pressure a little bit here. On the neck area. So this is increasing the blood circulation in the entire face so that all our muscles are ready for the exercises, the face yoga exercises that are about to come. So you can increase the pressure in this area. Be gentle around the neck area. In front of the ears as well. So kind of waking up the muscles for the workout that is about to come. So you can already feel the blood circulation increasing in the face. Okay, now we do exercises focusing on eyes and forehead. So the first one is eyes half close exercise. So what do we do here? First we widen the eyes and then we narrow it like this. But forehead should be relaxed. You can also keep a hand on the forehead when you do it. First you expand it, then you narrow it. And when you narrow it, at that time to increase the pressure, start looking up. So you should feel it here. Under the eyes is where you should feel it. And this we are going to do 30 times. And what does it benefit? So it's very good for eyes muscles. It prevents sagging and also it improves focus. So it's actually good for your eye strength as well. Okay, so we expand and then shrink. Expand, shrink, 30 times we are going to do looking up. So first you look straight and then when you shrink, then look up. Okay. So let's do the other one. So we'll expand, look straight, shrink. You feel it here. If looking up is becoming difficult, you can also do look straight. And then once you become experienced, you can also start looking up. Okay, now we move to the next one, which is eye rotations. So this one you may have done before as well. So what do? We look up, down, left, right, and we keep on moving in a circle like this. So we will do 5 clockwise circle and then 5 we are going to do anti-clockwise circle. So 5 clockwise, 5 anti-clockwise. Inhale, towards the end of the circle, exhale. Inhale, this side, exhale. And when you do anti-clockwise circle, inhale, exhale, like this. Okay, so let's start with clockwise circles first. So 30 seconds we are going to do clockwise and then 30 seconds anti-clockwise. So we have done 5 clockwise. Now we'll do 5 anti-clockwise. You can keep a hand on your forehead if you are feeling some stress on the forehead, or you can do it like this also. But make sure not to wrinkle the forehead. All right, so we are done with eye rotations. Now that you will be feeling some pressure in the eyes, so what we are going to do? We are going to do palming. So the exercise number 3 in this module is palming. So what are we going to do? Just rub your hands till the time they are a little hot, so like a little warm. So we are doing palming, and then we put it on the eyes. And when you pull it out, try to create a vacuum with the hands, and then so when you pull it out, there is like a sound which comes. So let's do it. So make it warm, put it on the eyes, and create a vacuum and push out. So this will really be very good for tired eyes. It reduces stress and enhances relaxation. So we do it for 1 minute. Okay, last time, make it warm. And then on your entire face and neck area. All right. So the next exercise is laugh line massage. So what are we going to do? We are going to move our tongue in this area in small circles like this. So first we do on the right cheek and then on the left cheek. So you just put your tongue on one side and then keep rotating round and round. So this is really good for so it exercises your tongue as well as your cheek muscles. So let's do it. We do it for 1 minute, 30 seconds right side and 30 seconds on the left side. So now we do on this side. So first we go up, then we bring it down, small circles, while bringing down, make it anti-clockwise. So your tongue is also getting good exercise and it's exercise for brain as well. Okay. So अब हम क्या करने वाले हैं? अब हम एक बहुत ही नाइस हेयर मसाज से इस रूटीन को क्लोज करने वाले हैं. नाउ जो हम मसाज करते हैं उसमें 3 इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट है. एक तो हमें देखना है जो हम ऑयल यूज कर रहे हैं वो एकदम प्योर होना चाहिए एंड विद वेरी नाइस अरोमा. क्योंकि क्या होता है जब हम अरोमा थेरेपी यानी कि जब हम ऑयल्स के थ्रू अपनी बॉडी को हील करते हैं तो उसमें डिफरेंट इमोशंस के लिए अलग अलग ऑयल्स होते हैं. आप हमारा पीडीएफ देख सकते हैं कि किस तरह के इमोशंस को कौन से एसेंशियल ऑयल्स, किस तरह के ऑयल्स उसको काम करते हैं. तो यहाँ मसाज में 3 चीज होने वाली है. एक तो है कि बिल्कुल केमिकल फ्री ऑर्गेनिक ऑयल से हम अरोमा थेरेपी करेंगे. दूसरा, हमारे हेड में हम 3 इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स पे फोकस करेंगे. पहला पॉइंट, एक बार हेयर, सो ये एक पहला पॉइंट इज हेयर. दूसरा पॉइंट इज हेयर. सो फर्स्ट इज हेयर, एकदम मतलब जैसे अगर हम देखेंगे कि हमारे आईज के ऊपर आपका जो दूसरा हाथ ऐसे आया तो वो पहला डिपार्टमेंट, उसके अगला दूसरा डिपार्टमेंट और तीसरा डिपार्टमेंट होगा यहाँ पे अपनी नेक के सेंटर से ऊपर. इन 3 जगहों पे हम एकदम फोकस करते हुए मसाज करेंगे एंड देन अपने कान के पीछे और आगे उनको भी लेंगे. बट ये अगर हम हेड मसाज बोलते हैं तो ये 3 डिपार्टमेंट्स काफी इंपॉर्टेंट है, तो उसके ऊपर ध्यान देंगे। सो अरोमा थेरेपी के साथ हम मसाज थेरेपी यानी कि पॉइंट्स की एक्यूप्रेशर थेरेपी उसको ले रहे हैं, और ये मसाज हम करेंगे पूरे 3 मिनट तक, 1 मिनट, 2 मिनट, 3 मिनट, एंड देन थोड़ा इधर उधर। सो 3 मिनट्स की हम मसाज करेंगे, और साथ में हम एक बहुत अच्छी साउंड भी आपके लिए प्ले करेंगे। उस साउंड पे फोकस करते हुए उन पॉइंट्स पे फोकस करना है। प्योर अरोमा थेरेपी का आप जो ऑयल है, आप नीचे लिंक में देख सकते हैं कि आपको कौन से इमोशंस प्रभावित कर रहे हैं, एंड उसके हिसाब से आप अपना ऑयल चुन सकते हैं। ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द 3 मिनट मसाज। Just smell the nice aroma and focus on the sound. Now on the back side of the neck. All right. Okay, very well. All right. I hope you loved today's face yoga routine. But if you want to go deep beyond face yoga, then this is for you. At UVAP, we believe everybody is unique, which means your nutrition, movement, relaxation, and detox plan should be entirely yours too. And that's why we offer personalized wellness program, a program that is tailored exactly to your lifestyle, your body type, your goal, and your energy levels. See, because real results come from routines that fit you and which are completely personalized for you. So you can check the link below to get started with the plan, and I will see you on the inside. Bye bye.